Hello everyone and welcome to Technical Skills Lesson 1. So we're going to be looking at understanding all of the technical skills, being able to define them, and we're also going to be setting you some practical tasks so you can get on with experiencing these technical skills for yourself. So what I need you to have right now is this technical skills table. So you should have the link to access this on SharePoint. You can either print this out, or if you don't have a printer, you can draw this out in your book. These are just really easy ways of keeping all the information nice and clear for you. So if just drawing your attention to the left column, so under action content, that's where you write the definition in that space. And then moving along, that's where your examples would be, and then moving along the list of importance for choreography. Okay, so what technical skills do you know? There are 7, and obviously you need to learn all 7 off by heart. You need to know what they are and be able to define them. Okay, so moving through them, action content, spatial content, relationship content, movement in a stylistically accurate way, dynamic content, rhythmic content, and timing content. So how will you be examined on these skills in the theory exam? So you will be asked if you can define it, if you can identify any examples of that skill, and if you can identify the importance of that skill in a choreography. So here are the 2 we're going to look at today. So we have action content and dynamic content. So here are the definitions for you. So action content is what a dancer does. So that is really short and really simple, and they've also added just some examples, so travelling, turning, elevation, etc. Then we have dynamic content, which is defined as the qualities of movement based upon variations in speed, strength and flow. So let's start with action content. So the definition, we've just been through that. So you just need to know what a dancer does. And then in the AQA glossary that you should all have by now, it does just list these actions after the definition. So examples of actions are jump, turn, travel, stillness, gesture and balance. We can see those as well in the definitions, but it's just really important if in section A it does give you a theory question, give 2 examples of actions that you can name examples of actions. And then you need to know why action content is important for choreography. So what does it add? What does it bring? What is the purpose of action content? So it is the main substance of choreography. It's what you start choreographing with, the actions. And having a variety of actions makes the choreography more interesting. So if you just had a piece full with jumps, that's going to be very boring, but a variety of actions mixes it up and therefore creates a stronger choreography. A range of actions can add uniqueness, along with variety, adding that unique element, and they are added in to sometimes show the meaning of the dance through the actions, and of course can add excitement. Next we have dynamic content. So defining dynamic content. So we have the qualities of movement based upon variations in speed, strength and flow. We just went through that, but it's important, can you give examples of dynamics? So soft, sharp, explosive, sustained, smooth, jagged. It's super important that you maybe just have 5 that are your go-to 5 dynamics, because throughout section A you will be asked at some point to name a dynamic. So essential to just have these examples ready to go. So the importance of dynamics in choreography is it adds that accent. So it adds some light elements, it adds that shade, it adds a contrast, it makes it more interesting, adds excitement, and the dynamics can also be used to help show the meaning of the dance. Okay, so that's kind of the end of that first portion. And to put a practical element to this, we're going to explore technical skills through street dance. So just have a think to yourself, what do you already know about street dance? Feel free to pause this or make a mind map. Okay, so types of street dance. If you don't know these, we've got grooving, hip hop, whacking, popping, breaking, crumping, locking, commercial. Lots of different types of street dance. So think of it as an umbrella term, and there's lots of different categories under that. Oh, and the party style. So what is street dance? I've come up with some words around to get a better idea. So it's fast, it's energetic, it's current, it's strong, it's complex, but it can be simple, it's isolations, it's grooving. So it's important to have kind of this overall view of street dance, but so your practical task is to choreograph a street dance routine. Again, that can mean any of the styles of street dance you want to explore. The routine must be at least 5 counts of 8. The routine must use all 6 of your dance actions and a range of dynamics. So remember, this is following on from our technical skills. I want you to explore these technical skills in the street dance routine. So include a variety of actions to improve your choreography, and then include a range of dynamics to improve your choreography as well. Once you've done this, film this from memory. And there's some YouTube clips that can help you if you're a novice at street or if you've never done street before. I will send you these in an email because I know that you probably can't click on these now in this video, but yeah, just explore YouTube for some ideas if you're struggling with that. So good luck with that practical task.